This year we had about 20 riders come out. The largest of the routes was 229 miles that they did over 2 days, and there was a couple shorter routes. But one of the things that I love about this event is that it was started by volunteers and has been led by volunteers. As Stop Slavery as an organization has done nothing to make this happen. It was all done by people that want to be a part of making a difference and doing what they can with the skills and abilities that they have to do their part to fight human trafficking.
Lord, we pray that you would be blessed, that you would be glorified, and that you would bless all of our times. And we pray this in Jesus' name. Amen. Time to go. Pray this in your name, Jesus. Amen. Amen.
The number one reason why we're doing this isn't to ride. It's to raise that awareness and then raise some funds for the fact that there still is slavery here worldwide.
If you would personally like to get involved and support, you can go to stopslavery.org and click on the donate button, and you can donate that way. If there's any other way that you'd like to be involved or you have any other questions, Please feel free to contact me on the site and I will personally respond to you.